Hey, what's up, vlog? I know it's been a minute that I've vlogged, but we're at a meet right now, a big one right now. We're in Van Nuys. At the moment, there's a McLaren and a Lamborghini Aventador. I'm not sure if you can see that. That's not fucking loud, bro. This lime green G-Wagon. This one is so nice, bro. GTR. Better lighting over here. But the color is like a purple, chameleon, like blue. It's clean as hell, bro. Wide body. What is this Liberty Walk? To me, I'm not so sure about what type of body kits they are. But popular one for GTRs is probably Liberty Walk. But it's clean, bro. Honestly, didn't get to hear what it sounds like, but I bet it's loud. We got another 720S, but as you see, bro, this paint, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a bluish with a yellow, like the same thing as the GTR, but like light blue and yellow, like it's clean, bro. Number 720S, bro. I love these cars, bro. It's so dark out and there's no lighting, bro. I just hope I can get some good content, bro, but this is clean, bro. If you guys don't know who Finder Nick is, but if he gets the R8, like he's been talking about it wanting to buy one, bro. Get the R8 with the GTR, bro. This shit's so fucking clean. Like having that GTR in the R8, bro. Like R8 itself, bro, is fucking amazing. It's also one of my fucking dream cars, bro. Like ever since fucking like Tanner Fox and Tanner Brongert bought the R8, bro, I fell in love with the car, bro. But the R8 and the GTR, perfect duo, bro. I'm telling you. Everyone's starting to pull up right now, bro. We got some nice cars. Over there, bro, is probably one of the cleanest RCS I've seen, but I'm gonna go check that out in a second. This is my guy's fucking M4 CS, bro. Shit's clean. I fucking love how this looks, bro. Like all clean everywhere, bro. So yeah, great guy too. My boy is got the cleanest spec. Look, he got M4 CS versus clean as hell, bro. We got David's 765 LT. Shit's clean, bro. Ooh, this Audi RH. The sheep ears, I seen this one fucking shoot flames, bro. That one's fucking clean. Please 720S, another one. Oh, I seen this guy, another meet before. B10 Flow. This guy's chill as fuck, bro. His shit shoots hella flames, dude. Here's the RCF. What's up? How you doing? Good, how are you? Good. This is the RCS I saw earlier, bro. This shit's clean as hell. The wheels are fucking nice, bro. All around, bro. It's one of the cleanest RCS I've seen so far. Hella cars are pulling up, bro. Fucking Z06 right here? No, that's a regular CA. What am I talking about? The Hello Kitty. We got the Bentley. Big Camaro. I'm not a big fan of Camaros, but they're still fucking nice though. This fucking. Woo. Another sheepy race Ferrari, bro. That shit is crazy. Sounds nice as hell too. Smurfs 01s, Camaro, that shit's fucking clean. Hey, bro, I heard a GTR that sounds hella familiar, bro. Yes, sir. It's that boy Sammy. Look at him with this another GTR. That boy Sammy's GTR. It's just clean as hell, bro. I just on the last video, bro. He was shooting flames, bro. Nice ass guy, bro. Hella respect for him. Sammy's cars, bro, is clean as hell. You got the starlights in there, bro. The gang guard right there. Bro, this GTR is clean. The interior is amazing, bro. We got Flows, V10 Huracan right here, bro. Shooting flames earlier, bro. Hey, I can't see. There's no lighting over here, bro. No lighting whatsoever. But, bro, it's hot as fuck back here. But I wish there was some type of light, bro, because that shit would help so much. But it's whatever, you feel me? We got the C63. This shit's clean as hell. Bro, this Lambo's so cream. Like, bro, the green, the pink. Holy fuck, bro. I think that's a ZR1 back there. But that's fucking clean. They got the ambulance pulled up. Oh, clearance, nice. This is the cleanest fucking Mustang I've seen, bro. The wide body, that decal's fucking tough. The vinyl, bro, that's fucking tough. It's EcoBoost? No, it's 5.0. I don't know why I said Eco Snake, but it's a 5.0. Fuck, it's gonna be tripping, bro. This SEO is so clean, bro. Like the matte green or military green. I don't even know what color this is, bro. But it just looks so amazing. Like shit, bro. And you got everyone over there looking at the Ferrari shooting flames, bro. I can't stand over there, bro. That shit hurts my fucking heart, bro. I've been next to that shit like for a minute, bro. That shit fucks you, bro. Fucks you up. This is that Lambo we saw earlier, bro. Just clean as hell. The color in this Lotus is clean as hell, bro. Like a military green with the orange accents right there. The wheels too, bro. That's nice, bro. The carbon fiber wheel right there. It's just clean as hell, bro. It's been probably one of the nicest Lotuses I've ever seen. The back end, bro. It's clean. Everyone's leaving. We got people revving this shit. Clean ass. British Racing Green. Like I said, I'm not showing the color. The B. Bro, we got B Alpina, bro. That is crazy. Chopper, bro. We got a new location coming up, but they brought the chopper out, bro. They got crazy out here. There's hella cars, bro. I can't wait to show you the next location. Bro, we got an orange NSX, bro. That's just clean as hell, bro. It sounds nice, bro. The fit, boo. It's so clean. But we didn't go to the second meet. It was a gas station, small gas station, nowhere to park, but right now we just ended. Great meet, great turnout, everything. So I hope you guys like this vlog, and I'll check you guys later. Peace out.